Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas video again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will suit your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to hit a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we give them free signals. The link of them is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today, a red day, but also we've been followed all the whole day in my Telegram channel and my Discord channel to waiting to enter a short. We enter a short at the end of the day, but as majority of you know, we enter at Asian session, so the market is very low volume, so the market stays stuck there. Until now, we're still holding our short position, but I'm going to update you here more about that. Look with me here at the 3 candles here. That one, that green one here, and that red one here. That one is very well known pattern of market makers. They do it every time. A red candle like that, or a green candle like that, then after that like that. That's what's happening here exactly, guys. If you came and you change it here from candles to lines like that, you're going to see it very clear. You see it now or no? Let's zoom it a little bit to see it. Look with me here. That's what we have been talking about. You see it here, push it down, here push it up, and now push it down. That's a very clear market maker pattern. Now here you focus about that level here, which is here in the top here, and the one here, where is the Bitcoin is going to break, because now it's coming a very major move, either up or either down here. So focus about that level here very well, guys. For people who trade only with candles, look at that, very clear here. You came to the green candle here, that one here. The lower of it you put a level here, and the top of it you put a level here. As you see it, you're waiting now, where is the Bitcoin is going to go? Here, that man is going to break that wedge as we show you in yesterday video. If it's breaking down here, that means also we're going to fall down more than that. The wedge we show you yesterday is that one, as you see it, that one here, like that, and down here we show it to you like that. We told you if it's breaking above here, enter long. If it's breaking down here, enter short. That was also we show you. Another thing very important here in the daily is that too. You remember them or no? The 50 moving average here with yellow, the 100 moving here with red. Simple one. I told you the 50 moving average is going to cross below the 100. It's not yet, but the Bitcoin is showing here he couldn't break above the 100 again. That's what it's showing here. And that candle we finished today, that one, it's showing us that. What shall we do? I tell it to you. We waiting either the break to happen here for you to enter long here, or the break to happen down here for you to enter short. For day trading, also we go in there. That for long-term investment. Remember that. Another thing where you should buy now. For long-term investment, we waiting the Bitcoin to fall down here at that level here. That one here, we need to buy 50% from our capital when we touching the 200 moving average. I show you that thousands of times, so we don't need every time to repeat it, guys. Now let's going to see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are at the coming news for today, guys. As you see it, we don't got something special here. We just got initial jobless claim. That one will not affect the market that much. And here is our friend, the table of us as we look at it every day. Look at it, what it's doing today. Today, everything is red. Even US stocks is red. about what's happening in USA, about that ACC and the problems they have. Look at it here. The Dow Jones today it closed green, but everything is red. The Dow Jones it closed green because of the energy outlook what came yesterday. But here everything's still looking great. If you find an opportunity, if there is any opportunity to buy US stocks, I'm going to give it in my Telegram or my Discord channel. That way me I told you join us. The link of them is down in the description of that video. But that is up to you. And here is our friend, is the VIX, as you see it. Scarness is still very low, as you see it, 13. That means scarness is still very low. There is no need to be scared, guys. Also, it's still below 20, so there is nothing new. And here, US dollar, as you see it, 104. I told you, forex traders, the cable and Euro USD, they are sideways. That 3 or 5 days, I think. So I think there is a jump is going to happen and US dollar is going to fall down. That's a good news here. So everything is too clear here. Now let's going to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours for Bitcoin. Here is only for swing trading. You remember yesterday we used to be here at that 200 moving average. You remember it? You can find it in the last video. Just go back and watch it. Here exactly. I told you guys, look at it. Also, we are here at the 200 moving average. I told you, yes, it's breaking for us that megaphone we used to have here. That the megaphone also we used to have here before. That one. Yes or no? It's break it here, but I told you there is no entry. We need another green candle to confirm that for us. It doesn't. Look at it. It came a red candle telling us the market is going to fall down. Till now the market is still fighting here. More to go, more up. Now what you have here at that level here, now you can make something like that, and down here you can make something like that. You still have here that megaphone, but now it's need to break for us even the 200 moving average, guys. So that level here you need to be focused about it. What we're going to do here at that level where we are now, we got a very stronger supply and demand zone and a weekly pivot here. I tell it to the people in my Telegram channel, but we got here a weekly pivot here. Now either from here we're going to go more higher, because look at it. If you came here and you see it like that, it gave us here a high. Now he gave us here a low. Let's see if it's going to give us another high to break for us that last high, which is here. Everything is too clear now. So now what we need to do, we need to wait in if that level here, that one here, is going to hold or not, because till now it's showing it's still holding here. But let's wait in if it's going to go back up and to break for us up and to break even the 200 moving average, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Our indicator, as you see it, it touched here the oversold area and we give you a signal yesterday to enter long. Now it came here. There is no power to stay above here. Whereas the bulls, they control it, came back very quickly to the bears control. So now us here in 4 hours, us we are in a downtrend. That way us we enter in 30 minutes. For people they are in my Telegram channel. Until now us we still waiting, and when we reach there I'm going to show you everything. So now here what we need to do, we need to wait in if the market is going to enter to add the volatility to push it down, because as you know and all of you know, when Bitcoin falling down, it falls down slowly, and when it's going up very fast. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And now you know that ACC it started a war against the exchanges in America. So that's another story, and we need to focus about it, what is going to come in coming hours. So I think everything is too clear here. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying here, guys. That one here, it touched here the oversold area. Also we enter from here long in 30 minutes yesterday. Now also we are stuck here at that level here, and look at it. Look, you by your eye. Look here, if you came to that one here and that one here and that one here, you see it, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it, if you just came like that and from that one you extend it like that, you see it or no? That one here, that's when I told you also we are in a weekly pivot now. Let's see if visit from here is going to go more up. And here I show you that one I told you for the long. Also we got here the top of that channel here. That one I showed it to you before. I told you also we got the top of that channel here. Now we need to focus about that level here. That one here. That one here. If we are going to break it here again, if we break it here, we need to focus about the top of that channel, which is here. Everything is too clear, guys, but everything is looking great here, because also we come in here from oversold area. We're going up to the overbought area. That normal it will not go in very straight. Market is not working just going up or just falling down. It's working by waves, and that's a part of trading, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to show you why also we give people a signal to enter short. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash that like button, write down a comment. If you've been in our Telegram, write it down. Smash in the like button, guys. Support us. You know that channel without you and you and you, it can growing up. So please, guys, support us. Bye. We don't ask you for nothing, just to smash the thumbs up which is down. Pause the video now and do it. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, also we used to have here that triangle here, and we've been waited all the whole day here. It gave us here that breakout here. Also we enter short from here. Exactly. Take profit for that one. We just came like that and we do it like that. Exactly here. And we do it like that. And we said it's going to go till down here. Exactly. That's where is it the take profit. Stop loss. I tell people to put it here. Depending on the money management of them, they can even put it here. But me, I prefer to put it here to stay far away, because if the market break above here, I'm going to close the short and I'm going to enter long, and I'm going to tell it to the people they follow me. So I think picture is very clear here. And another thing I tell people in my Telegram, I told them when the Bitcoin touch here, that level here, that one we will close 50% from our capital, and we move stop loss to break even to stay risk free. And here, as you see it, also we're talking, and the Bitcoin is showing is as if it's going to fall down to break here, and that's good news. That's when the Bitcoin is going to fall down till here, till that low here. It's a very good signal. So till now everything's still looking great. Yes, it go back here, but also we still waited to go back again. If it go back up here, we will close in the short and we will enter a long. That's a part of the game. Sometimes it gives us a fake breakout like that. That's a part of the game, guys. But you, if you haven't entered now, you wait in that triangle. You saw me how I draw it from that one here, that one here, that one here, and that one here. If it came now and break a lower here, you can enter short. If it go up and breaking above here, enter long, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it, it's showing to us is it enter here at the oversold area. Should we enter long level? Also we are in a very stronger level here. It's a weekly pivot, guys. Should we enter long? Not yet, my friend. It's need either to break here for us to enter long, or to break lower here for us to enter short. That's it. That's the only thing. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.